Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to leave Malaysia after less than 3 months. What happened? Why? Considering the fact that I can actually stay for 3 months and I can potentially extend my stay for even longer. Well, actually, nothing bad really happened that made me decide to leave Malaysia. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing it, the reason why I'm leaving, it's simply because I want to visit other countries as well. I want to explore other places as well. And Malaysia, as I said in many of my other videos, has treated me very well for the 2 months that I have been here. So I'm really grateful that I got to visit this country. Just give me a moment. I'm really grateful that I got the opportunity to visit this country. I got the opportunity to live in Kuala Lumpur, and I got the opportunity to meet amazing people here. Yeah. I've learned so much about the culture. I've experienced so much, and I'm so grateful again, as I said, and so thankful to everyone who contributed to my experiences. And I'm thanking all of you who have subscribed to the channel, and yeah, the content is still going to go on. Malaysia has been a great experience for me. Maybe some of you know, some of you don't. Before Malaysia, I've been to Thailand, and I spent 3 months in Thailand, and that has been a great experience as well. And now Malaysia, my first time in Malaysia, I'm leaving the country with a very good impression about the country. And someone actually commented on one of my videos. I just saw, it's a new comment on one of my videos where I said my honest opinion about Malaysia, and the person said, well, that's not an honest opinion if you have nothing bad to say about the country. And I don't have, well, first of all, I think you can have a very honest opinion and have only positive things to say about a country, okay? Because the opinion that you have is based on your experiences, obviously, and it's based on a specific time frame that you spend in that specific country. In our cases, right, we're talking about a country, or more, we're talking about a specific city, right? So I think it's possible to only have good things to say about a place. Then I also think it is a choice to highlight the positives or to highlight the negatives. But I have said this in some of my other videos, you know, there are a few things which made my life a little more difficult here, you know, specifically this area where I am at right now, where I've been living for those 2 months. I could not find, you know, like fruits and, you know, bread at some point when I tried to, when I was sick, and tried to find some baguette breads, you know, baguette bread, you know, the French baguette, or cheese. But then, of course, I went to other areas and I saw proper supermarkets, so it's specifically the area. I mentioned in one or two videos, in fact, I mentioned the fact that I would personally like that there is more, you know, places to throw the trash. Okay, even in this building, when I'm going to the area where they have the sauna, they have the swimming pool, the jacuzzi, you literally cannot find a place to throw the trash. So, for example, if you have an empty water bottle, you don't have anywhere to throw it. Okay, and I've been here for 2 months, so I think I know what I'm talking about, you know, specifically about this building. So that's one thing, you know, that's another thing. But I think these things are so minor comparing to what I have personally experienced in this country and compared to how people treated me. So that is why I, you know, in that video and even now, I'm actually leaving. I said in that video, like, my honest opinion about Malaysia, and I was saying, I don't remember actually what I said in the video, but I think I was only saying like good things because those stood out for me, you know. And I am leaving the country with a very good impression about the country, okay? And a very good impression about the food, okay? About the food. Because at the time when I was sick, I was trying to find, you know, food that I knew will help me get better, and I had a very difficult time, but I had the opportunity to experience proper Malaysian food, and I'm not even talking about a restaurant, but in a home, okay? Homemade proper Malaysian food, and I can tell you Malaysian food is delicious. It's delicious, okay? Same goes for the Indian food that I tried here. I've been to Greenfields. Indian food is absolutely amazing. Malaysian Indian, right? Chinese food. Well, Chinese food. With the Chinese food, it's also good for me because it's not as spicy, okay? And what can I say about the Chinese food? I've been eating at a Chinese restaurant for the past almost 1 month and a half, okay? Or at least a month every day. So the variety of food, you know, the choices you have, it is in fact very, you have a lot of variety, but it depends again of where you live, where you go, and so on. But anyways, I'm deviating from my point. My point is, I'm leaving Malaysia, but it's not because anything bad has happened. It's not even actually because I have to leave now. I could probably stay for, not probably, I could definitely stay for at least 1 extra month without having to do anything, without trying or having to try to extend my stay, extend my visa basically, okay? But I still choose to leave the country because I want to experience a new place, okay? And that is my reason why. And again, for those of you who have subscribed during my time in Malaysia and probably subscribed definitely subscribed from certain videos and probably are expecting more content around Malaysia, and you're not here necessarily to see other places or like similar type of content but from other places and to see me and see my face, then I'm just giving you a heads up. If you want to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe. I'm a big boy, I can take it. I'm not gonna get upset on you, I understand. But at the same time, if you do choose to stick with me and continue to be a subscriber, I will be happy to have you here. And I think you will not regret it. Now, in the ending of this video, you guys let me know where do you think I'm going to go next? And I want to see where do you think I'm going. Let me know in the comment section down below. That's all I had to say in this video. See you in the next one.